Our hearts beat to the city.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have an inspiration, a mood fabric skirt. They introduced it to me by an email. I fell in love with the look. I did have some similar fabrics in my fabric pile, but I wasn't really sure when I'm going to put this project to work. This week it happened to be the best time, mainly because I'm feeling under the weather. I have a terrible flu. I do not know how to get rid of it. So I needed to make a project that wasn't really difficult, that was absolutely basic, that would give me a quick result. I had enough fabric to make a maxi dress, which would have required for me about 38 inches for my height. But I decided to give it a midi length, so I cut it to about 29 inches, allowing 1 inch for my hem. My waist is 27 inches, and so I decided to make a half full skirt. I did not want to make it a full skirt, also knowing that I do not have the actual good quality tulle they show here in this example. For this kind of length, I knitted only about a little bit over 2 yards. I gathered all my necessities. As you can see here, obviously I need my shiny glitter fabric. I have my tulle here. I have a measuring tape, scissors, black thread, but you do not have to go with black. You can go with something that would give you a bit of a contrast. My first step is to fold my glitter fabric on length, and I cut it. After cutting my skirt out of my whole fabric, I put my edges together, I pinned them, and I went ahead and sewed my skirt together.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna.
As soon as I finished sewing my skirt, I went ahead and folded my hem allowance for 1 inch. I pinned it, and I went ahead and sewed it.
Two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
As soon as I finished with these steps, my skirt was pretty much almost done. All I needed is to repeat the steps for my tulle fabric. The only difference is, for my tulle fabric, I do not need hem. Keep the tulle with a raw finish. As soon as I closed the side panels of the tulle, I went ahead and I did the gathering around at the waistline. As soon as I finished with the gathering, I went ahead and pinned them together. My next step is to sew the two together at the waistline. My next step is to make the waistband. Originally for the waistband, I had an 1 inch elastic top band, but then I decided to change it for a 2 inch. My next step is to attach the waistband to the rest of the skirt. And as you can see, This is probably one of the easiest skirts to make. The steps are incredibly easy. It's an absolute beginner's project. Step 1, fold your fabric on a length. Measure the length of your skirt. Cut, sew the skirt panels together. You repeat the steps with the tool. Connect the two together at the waistline. Make the waistband and insert the elastic into the waistband. Attach the waistband and you are all done. As soon as I created the waistband, I inserted the elastic with this big safety pin. And I went ahead for my next step.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shot from the top,
After I finished this skirt and I stepped back a little bit, I looked at the volume and the puffiness, and I really didn't like it, mainly because I am not a 12-year-old girl anymore. I don't really need to look like a princess. Obviously, when they introduced this skirt to me, they had a different type of tulle with really nice pearls. I know Joann's has it for like $25 per yard. I just didn't have a chance to go. Therefore, I decided to go ahead and use the tulle I had at home. But because I'm a hoarder, as you know, and I introduced myself many times as a seamstress hoarder that collects everything that is possible, realize I have some stick-on pearls somewhere into one of my drawers, and so voila. I came up with a little bit of a weight for the bottom part of my skirt. So I created a bit of a border for my tulle only. I've added those pearls just to give an extra weight.
never stop. As we shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running.
So there you go. I cannot wait to wear it. I cannot wait to get better, to get out of the house. So I hope you enjoy my project as much as I enjoy making it. It is a lot of fun when you work with something and the result is so quick. Don't get me wrong. I do enjoy making complicated projects. I do enjoy making techniques. I do enjoy making fabric manipulations. But every now and then I just want to have something that is simple, is done within a couple of hours. And when I step back and I look at my project, I'm wowed and I'm excited to wear it. I hope you go ahead and make this project. I am going to put a link down in the description for the Mood Fabrics project that inspires me. I'm also going to make my own list of necessary materials for you, just because I think my list is slightly cheaper than Mood Fabrics. But anyway, I will let you decide and enjoy the result. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you very much again for watching my video and looking forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Goodbye.